Hello friends, I am Ishant. Welcome to BCM. So in this tutorial we will learn about button tag. So let's begin with the tutorial. Button tag is used to create a button in the web page. Most of the times it is used to submit a form or reset a form. Button is a new element. We can use many attributes in it. So let's do the practical. So I have opened HTML document here. Let's write button tag here. I will write button tag over here. So when we save the document and refresh the browser, you can see here button, but it is a blank button. When you click on this, nothing is happening. Okay, so we will write here I am a button. I am a button, and when we save it and refresh the browser, you can see here I am a button is written, but it is also a blank button. Okay, so let's use some attributes here. So I will write type attribute here, and I will copy this and paste it two times. Copy and paste. I will again copy it and paste it below it. Okay, so in first type I will write, first I will cut this all, delete this all. In first type attribute I will write button, and in second type attribute I will write submit, and in third type attribute I will write reset, and I will write button in the first one here and submit in the second one and reset on the third one. So when we save it and refresh the browser, you can see three buttons had appeared here, but they are in line. So I will add break tag here on the document, br tag in the document, br. I will give it two times so that there is space between them. I will copy it and paste it here, and when I save this and refresh the browser, you can see all of them has came one below another. To see the effect of reset button, I will write input tag here, and I will remove the type attribute, and in name attribute I will give name, and below input tag I will give label tag, and in label tag I will give for attribute. and I will write this name over here. And when I save this and refresh the browser, you can see one filling form like line has came here on the web page. You can also write your name over here. So I will write Ishant over here, and I will write name between the label tags in the HTML document. And when you save this and refresh the browser, you can see name over here. I will give br tag break tag after the label tag to give space between them, and I will copy it and paste it after the input tag to give space after it also. So when you refresh the browser, you can see name written here after the small filling box. So when I write my name here and click on the reset button, nothing will change because we have given label tag below input tag. We have to give label tag above the input tag. So now you can see I have written label tag above input tag, and when I write my name in the filling box, you can see my name is being cleared, means it is being erased. It is because of the reset word in the type attribute. So friends, this much for today. If you like the video, hit the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in next tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.